Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this session of 10th Standard Science and Technology Part 1st. Friends, we were discussing with the question bank that has been prepared by the SIRT. It is very important that you should have to prepare the problems from this question bank. That will be helpful for solving the board question papers. Let us start with question number 1b. A variety of the question is write an explanation. Let us start with that. The question will be write an explanation. Number 1, group. The 18 vertical columns in the modern periodic table are called as groups. Second, period. The 7 horizontal rows in the modern periodic table are called as periods. Atomic radius. For an isolated atom, the distance between the center of the nucleus of the atom and the outermost cell is called its atomic radius. Next is electropositivity. The tendency of an atom of an element to form cation by losing its valence electrons is called electropositivity of that element. Fifth, electronegativity. The tendency of an element to form an anion by gaining electron in a valence cell is called electronegativity. Balanced equations. A chemical equation in which the number of atoms of the elements in the reactants is same as the number of atoms of those elements in the products is called as a balanced chemical equation. Next is endothermic reaction. The chemical reactions which are accompanied by absorption of heat are called as endothermic reactions. Next is critical angle. For a particular value of I, that is the angle of incidence, for which the value of R, that is the angle of refraction, becomes equal to 90 is called the critical angle. Center of curvature of the lens. The radius of the sphere whose part forms the surface of the lens is called the radius of the curvature of the lens. Next, the optical center of the lens. The point inside a lens on the principal axis through which light rays pass without changing their path is called the optical center of a lens. Principal focus. Rays traveling parallel to the principal axis of a lens after refraction converge to a point on the principal axis or diverge in such a way that they appear to be coming out of a point on the principal axis. This point is called the principal focus of the lens. Next is focal length. The distance between the optical center and the principal focus of a lens is called its focal length. Next, principal axis. The imaginary line passing through both centers of curvature is called the principal axis of the lens. Minimum distance of distinct vision. The minimum distance of an object from a normal human eye at which it is clearly visible without a stress on the eye is called the minimum distance of distinct vision. Farthest distance of distinct vision. The farthest distance of an object from a normal human eye at which it is clearly visible without a stress on the eye is called the farthest distance of distinct vision. Magnification. Magnification due to a lens is the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. Power of accommodation. The capacity of the eye lens to change its focal length as per need is called as its power of accommodation. Persistence of vision. The phenomena that allows the image formed on the retina to remain imprinted there for 1/16th of a second after the object is removed from the front of the eye is called as persistence of vision. Alkene. The saturated hydrocarbons containing only single bonds between carbon atoms are called alkenes. Alkene. The unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a carbon-carbon double bond are called as alkenes. Alkynes. The unsaturated hydrocarbons whose structure contain a carbon-carbon triple bond are called alkynes. Friends, in the next video we will see the different type of the questions. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. Till that, bye.